Hi friends, welcome to my channel and today we are going to learn how to set up an Angular project. For that we require Node.js and that Node.js version has to be greater than 10.9 and once the Node.js is installed, by the way you can install the Node.js from by downloading the Node.js installer and then you can run it and it would be installed. Once it is installed, you can actually check the version, that what is the version. So for version you can write the command node hyphen hyphen version and check the version. So my version is 10.15, so it's greater than 10.9, so we are good to go. So after node is installed, you need to install the Angular CLI, which is helpful for generating the structure for Angular projects. So once this is installed, you can check your Angular version, that is by ng hyphen hyphen version. So let us check on my system. So ng hyphen hyphen version. So here you can see it's the latest version 8.3.18. Okay, so going ahead, so this was just a setup of the Angular. Now we want to set up an Angular project. So how do we set up an Angular project? We need to run one command, that is Angular new application name. Okay, so here I'm writing my Angular new command, Angular new ng Angular app. Now, in place of ng Angular app, you can write any of your project name, let it be library, my school, or whatever you want to write. Now, let's go ahead and enter. So, once you have entered, it will ask you that you want routing or not. So, in mostly all the projects, you would be requiring routing. So, I'm going to press yes, and then it will ask you for the CSS, what type of CSS you would want. I personally prefer SCSS because it has both the qualities of CSS and Sass. So let's go ahead with it. So you can see that it is creating all the project structure. Let it be application component, app component, environment files, assets, and everything it is creating. So it is going to take some time, like around 20 to 30 seconds it's going to take. Once it is done, so we'll see a screen like this. So let's see by doing ls command what is there in our current directory. So we have a folder named ng Angular app, which was my project name, which I inputted in the ng new command. So let's go inside of this folder. So here, if I do ls, so you can see there is a source folder, there is package.json, and everything is in there. Okay, so let's do an ng serve. So ng serve, you can write it like ng serve, or you can simply write it as ngs. So it is compiling, building, and everything, and once this is done, so it will host your project on the port 4200. So here you can see that it has host your project on port number 4200. Let's check whether it is done or not. So in my localhost 4200, let's see what is happening. Yeah, so your project is already up and running. Okay, so this was about how to set up a new project, and let's hope you have learned a lot from it. And I hope that now you are all set to start coding in your project. If you have liked this video, please hit thumbs up and support my work with subscribing to my channel. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye bye.